Oh, other side, other side. Go,
Here,
go,
here.
go. Small circle first. No,
Circle,
small circle
circle.
first.
Circle ka na.
Small circle first.
Ayan.
Line naman yan eh. Si Papa muna. Mag-draw ng small circle si Papa. Dali, go. Papa first. Big na agad eh.
Tuloy mo.
Small. Wow. What's that?
Wow, circle.
Wow.
Big circle na.
Big circle pa. Pinaka big
Big circle.
circle. Big circle.
Wow.
Good job. Wow. Very good though. Yes.
Oh.
Isang opinion lang naman ng mga kasama. Ang opinion ng babaeng sinisinta niya.
Circle.
Hindi naman circle yan. Half circle na.
You and me against the world.
Ano ba yun?
Hindi na siya circle. It's a free drawing.
Ganito muna. Small circle. Small.
Fashion man o hindi, huwag kayong magugulat sa
Small circle. Oh. Si Papa, si Kenzo na. Go, go, go.
Go, circle.
Go.
sa gitna ng yakapan. Ito ang bunga ng laban.
Wow, very good. Good job.
Halos ang
Other one.
pinagigong itlog.
Wow, very
Ang
good.
mas romantiko noon,
Very good naman. Good job, Kenzo.